The first time I told the people that the Igbo people gave birth to Japan, they said I am crazy. I shut my mouth. Later, Japanese government said they are interested. I have to come. Because when I got there, I am going to show them why the Japanese answer names like Oguejofo, Ngozeka.
The Japanese?
Yes. If you go to Kanagawa in Japan, you see that the Igbo people gave birth to Japan. When I told them that the Igbo people gave birth to the Harappan and the Dravidian civilization of India, people said I am crazy. But when I pointed Igbo things in India, in Hindu, in Sanskrit, everybody shut up. I asked them, why was the Ibuku road port a zoom from Ibuku bearing Sanskrit writings on the body? Because the Igbo people introduced Sanskrit. But the problem is this. You have been made to believe, not know. You get my point?
I will commit suicide.
Commit suicide.
I will.
Wait
if I'm someone from Yoruba land and someone comes to my city and I'm struggling, the person comes there, just within a space of 10 years, I will sell my father's land, my father's house to him. And then use the other one to smoke, and then in 6 months I'm back to Omonile. I will commit suicide.
Come again.
House to him, I will commit suicide. I will. If I'm someone from Yoruba land and someone comes to my city and I'm struggling, the person comes there, just within a space of 10 years, I will sell my father's land, my father's house to him, and then use 70% of it to do a wambe, and then use the other one to smoke, and then in 6 months I'm back to Omonile. I will commit suicide.
And go find yourself.
Because it has shown that I am useless. It has shown that I cannot have any good impact in this world, and that is what happens with a greater percentage of people that live in Lagos. I heard what someone said here.
My Igbo people, ogene, oya bia neighbor, come here, come hear word. Shebi now na throw stone now. Una won't hear our voice. Come here, we get reply for una. Since una know say Igbo no dey gree allow Yoruba make them rest, we no go keep quiet for una. So many years ago, una don dey do this thing. But this time around, we no dey keep quiet for una. You know, concern me, any of Yoruba man or woman when marry una as a wife or as husband or business partner, the best business partner or best friend or whatever, you know, concern me. I no be bastard. I go talk put. Since una no one gets peace of mind, may una allow Yoruba people, may them drink their water, drop cup with peace of mind. Hey, we go dey answer una now, we go dey reply una. But when we begin dey reply una, may una know dey any small thing now. Una dey hear wetin this one they talk. As we dey talk and now, they go down begin dey turn am. They go dey look for empathy again. Oh. Come and say wetin Yoruba they tell us. Oh. Come and say Yoruba they do. Oh. Come and say Yoruba. But people they forget say now they look for trouble for where trouble no dey. So una go dey open una mouth like this. They talk this kind shit for una mouth. We Yoruba we go come keep quiet. They look una because una get forehead. No now. May we start from where you start to. You say, if now you be Yoruba man, where person come 10 years ago, he also get money. Yoruba come buy, come sell a land. As he sell a land or sell the property, he take the money 70%, take do party. What it concern you? No be he get the money. When I see where they look for trouble. Person get property. Now your property. Now you carry the property follow body from your Igbo land. Come Lagos. Now your papa property, now your mama property. Anything way like he do with her, he concern you. And not be say una no want do they sell una property for that Igbo land. No, how many strange people, how many other tribes they live for that on area? How many other tribes, how many Hausa, Igbo, Yoruba they live for that area? We won't buy land, we won't buy property there because the land not they productive. Land no dey productive like Yoruba land. Now I make every other tribe for Nigeria. If they never enter Yoruba land, not be only Lagos, every part of Yoruba land. If they never enter, sit down, live with us like this. May they eat our pepper, drink our water, drink our oil, palm oil, everything. Una life not the better now. Now Yoruba land they make una life the better. This kind of talk where you they talk, the time where you dey your village, your mind, you fit think reach this level. Your mind reach it grand. Why be say all of una, if una go back for Christmas, say una won't go celebrate Christmas festive period with una family. No before na Yoruba land, una dem gather all the money, they take buy everything, go back home. Now that Yoruba land, una go enter, they get money, una do business, they make money, buy land, build house, marry wife, get pikin, get business. But still, e no do na. Why be say everything about Yoruba they enter Igbo people, but Igbo no one gree. Instead, me una come and say, we too love Yoruba people. We love Yoruba land. We love everything about Yoruba. As Yoruba they do, Yoruba people, everything about them. Now we love. We no go kill you, nana. We no go buy you, na. But so we una no fit talk that kind thing. Me say, hey yo, if we talk now, their hair go they sell like Gary Debu. So the only thing we una fit do be say, Igbo they attack us back to back. They attack Yoruba every day, every minute, every second, every time. They destroy our name with on mouth, destroy our land with on mouth. They call us different bad name. Still, it no change us, it no change Yoruba land. If na me be the Igbo people, since they not like Yoruba land and Yoruba people, what una still they do with us? Why una sister they run away from Igbo brother? I know many of Igbo sisters wey be say if they carry the richest as Igbo sister love money past their life. If they carry the richest man for that Igbo land, may they carry am, dash am, say they sleep, they wake up inside money, inside dollar, pound, euro. She know they take lie. Because she say una too dey controllable. Na Yoruba man she won't marry. Them plenty baje. It be like say na that thing they pay many of una. It depend on where say all of una sister, beautiful sister, where una like, where he supposed marry the Igbo them. Now Yoruba then they run after. They say they not like una. Una too dey controllable, not true. Una life too they make big. Now life is flexible. They say they like Yoruba man a lie. Say Yoruba men, then they flexible. They not be like una. They know they do something, buy something for for their wife or girlfriend. If they quarrel, small quarrel like this, they take them back. If if you the friend or you marry her, he buy car for you, build up for you. The day when una quarrel separate like this, now that they go collect the money, he go collect the car, collect the house, everything we do for you, go collect them. Yoruba know they do like that. I love you along Obango. Everything about Yoruba they enter Igbo eyes. Our dress they enter on our eyes. Our food now na still talk and say we no get better food, we no get better soup. We no care. Our food they enter on our eyes. I bet you no want any say you know like amalat begiri at wedi. Now you get that. And many soup. Shebi that party where una they cry. If Omo Igbo one abuse Yoruba, they no sabi pass party. You never see one video, many video where you una sister they do say, then they ask people up and down. I beg for this weekend where Yoruba they do party, they too like Yoruba party because they go enjoy. Go Igbo party, then they look face before they serve you food. Now them invite you if they don't know you, they know they give you food. The food now take away that they do. 2 meats, you know, pass like this. I they go on a party where I enter on a wella. On a meat na like this, small. On a put an tancho for on top, package and like this. The rice itself, you know the rich, I dry ni. Oh man dry be olori buruku, oh man better matanyo love and buy ni. And if they don't know you, you know be Igbo, they don't know you, they know they serve you any food. Forget about these people. Now one can't tell us anything. Forget. But come. Igbo, what be the problem, Gogo? I bet una need help, una no. So una still get now una get Japan. No be Yoruba land again una get. Now una get Japan. Eba. Igbo. Kai. Smart una go say now una get America. Una go claim America. One day Igbo go come claim Europe. Una go claim Germany too. No, now they come now, they wait for now. It be like say every land they enter on a hand now. Confusion don't enter Opolo. Confusion don't enter brain. Una no know what una want again. Igbo don't lost. Oh yeah, talkie. Where we hear you.
The truth truth is that most of all those people that drag Lagos are not even Lagosians. They don't even know where they are. They are like slaves. They are like slaves. Some of them, they don't even know their mother because of the nature of the cultural exhibition and phenomenon of Yoruba culture. They are promiscuous in nature that they don't protect family lineage. So the person that they call father may not even be their father. So they've been living in Lagos, and when you ask them where are you from, they will tell you Osun State. Where in Osun? An average person you see will tell you he's from Ijebu. When was the last time you went to Ijebu? They can't remember.
Hey, what they call they pay you for there? Now their life now, live there. You where you they go your village every minute, every second. Now your problem. Person where come where them born for Ogun State or Osun State, according to what you talk now. He can't go they reside for Lagos State. You know they go home every now and then. How it take concern you? Now you get a life now. But you say if they meet Yoruba person, make them answer. If he asks you, say he come from Osun, they ask her where them which side for Osun. He not going to tell you where he come from. You don't know which state or which city or town where he from come for Osun State. Really? Now who tell you that one? I be from Ekiti and I know my village. But every village, every town, every city for Ekiti, now one will be. And I be from as I come from Ekiti. I am from Osun. I am from Ondo. I am from Lagos. I am from Ogun. I am from Oyo. That is how Yoruba are. Now so we be. Every elderly man we they call father. Baba, even me, èmi tí mo ṣe wà yìí, kò sí ọkùnrin èyí tí mo lè bí lọ́mọ gan tó bá pè mí lórí phone. Hello baba, baba ni mo máa ń pè gbogbo ọkùnrin. Àtọmọ tí mo lè bí, ìmí a máa sọ pé yèyé dára ọmọ kékeré ni mí. A kì í rí kékeré ọkùnrin bàbá ni ẹ́, bàbá. Àwọn obìnrin ìyá ni mo máa ń pè wọ́n ìyá mi, ẹ̀yin ìyálà ìyá mi. This is how we are. Bí wọ́n ṣe bí wa nílẹ̀ Yorùbá, bó ṣe kọ́ wa nìyẹn. Ẹ̀yin lẹ máa fi ipá tẹ́ máa fi jí àwọn òbí yín ní lórí bẹ́ẹ̀dì. Ẹ̀yin ní ní respect fáwọn òbí yín, àwa ní respect ó pọ̀ jù. And you know now, and that is the pain una. I know. I don't for this word where they many times I don't come across many Igbo people. Then they talk of say every tribe where they for Nigeria, nobody get respect. Rich Yoruba people. Una no get respect. It be like say that respect where we get. It still dey pay una. If una want emulator, no be wahala now. No be to condemn una go condemn. If una want copyright, una go. Shebi una dey live with us. Igbo plenty for Yoruba land. Una don't finish for una village now. For Igbo land, how many Igbo dey Igbo land? All of una na Lagos. Ogun, Ekiti. Ondo. Yeah. See, na no go rest. The land where they give you na better life, give you na food, make una life better. You marry, you born picky, you can't get money, get better life. If una be better person, na praise una supposed to they praise that kind land. They pray for them. The people where they welcome una as a stranger, give una peace of mind. Where una feel think, make life better. Na praise una supposed to they praise us. But because bad belly dey una mind no dey sweet for any other person greatness. Na hatred don't eat una belle raw. Na in they make una they attack Yoruba every minute, every second. Smarter now, your sister go say, he go put magele for our food. He go pay bobo Yoruba. Now. But come check this video.
Historians all agree that Oduduwa sent his son Oromiyan at the request of elders of Benin to return with them as ruler of their realm. Oromiyan's stay in Benin may have been short, but before he left, a child was born to him who was later crowned Oba, and is known today as Ewuare the First. Oromiyan's time in Benin, however short-lived, he was an Oba, and so he was the first Oba after the Ogiso dynasty came to an end. He established Obaship in Benin By implication, therefore, the listing of past Obas should therefore begin from Oromia, as it is listed in the Gariwa's book. Short history of Benin, actually making my revered father 39th Oba that reigned in Benin, if the listing is counted from and should be counted from Oromia. I therefore stand before you today as the 40th Oba of Benin. A direct descendant of Oromia, the son of Oduduwa.
Oba Tokpeye ise. Oba Tokpeye ise. Una dey hear am, Igbo people. Yoruba too dey enter una face, e dey enter una eyes. Come hear am. Shebi small time una talk say na Benin still get Yoruba land. Shebi you dey hear am for Ogizona. The king himself. Oba Tokpeye, Oba To, Oba Pe, Ashe Beni. Igbo, come here, be a neighbor. You know they say for Edo side, there they bear Yoruba name plenty. How many Yoruba they bear? Most of their name there. May you for know say na Yoruba get all those areas. The Benin na we na one we be. It's a carry them. It depend on na. Yoruba ti gòkè àgbà. Adánitán ti dánitán ká tún ní dá yín tó wọlé dé. Ọmọ tìrò ni yín. Ẹ fi ra bàtà ẹsẹ̀ kan lọ fáwọn òbí yín nílé. Ọ̀rọ̀ lẹ fẹ́ gbọ́, àwa máa fún yín lọ́rọ̀. Ẹ máa ń rò wípé yín nìkan lẹ mọ̀ ohun. Tó bá fún yín lọ́rọ̀ tán ẹ tẹ́ bá ṣèmọ̀ tán ẹ lè mọ̀ ṣe yín. Ẹ wá máa sunkún kiri. Yoruba dey do this o. Ẹ máa wojú àánú kiri lẹ́yìn àgbà yín ní kò látàrí ọrùn àwọ̀ yálàyà yín. Àwọn tó jó lóríire láàrin yín gan máa condemn ìwà burúkú ọwọ́ yín. Many Igbo people wey in mind no dey bad like many of una. Then they condemn una character. How una go come meet person for their land? Because una don't get rest of mind there. Then una buy land, buy property, marry, get business. The next thing, now we get the land. Now no man's land. Now the land no belong to them. Come carry now. This one wey una talk so since una don dey claim Japan as una land, it don't finish. It not finish. Shebi you dey hear from Ogizo mouth now. Say na Yoruba get Benin. Now we get the security, all those area. Now we, na Yoruba lagba, wani babala baba ni. Now we Yoruba, now we the father, when father, na father. Forget it.
It's not the case of an Igbo person. So they find it very hard to understand how these people build two lives. An average Igbo person builds two lives. One is in the east and one is wherever he's based. Because there's a saying in Igbo language that says, Ebonyi bikona wachi. Anywhere you see an Igbo man, he will be well established. At the same time, when you follow him to his village, you will know he's an Odogu. The name Odogu is not just a fancy.
Nah lie. Nah lie, you lie. Many of una will not get property for Yoruba land or any other part in the whole world. Reach una village. Ile alamo le ngbe claim house. Ile alamo juicy mi kin juicy e. E mole alamo o na ngbe for una house for village upon the money wey una go dey do like say na una get heaven and earth for another person land. If they follow una go village, una village like this for afternoon inside sun like this, they must on light. They must on light. We know they see una house. We know they see. I don't travel reach una area where Ile alamo ló pọ̀ jù ńbẹ̀ kò sí kankan. Inú igbó no wà lẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ títì báyìí tó kàn mú ilé alamo. Ẹ mọ ilé àwọn old village kini yẹn, ilé alamo jù sí mi kí n jù sí yẹn tó máa mú clay land. Àmọ́ tó àmọ́ mo color be brown yẹn tó máa mú papọ̀ báyìí mo ti rí video yẹn, you understand? Tó máa mú tó fi ṣe block. Yo tó máa kàn máa mọ́ òun ni ó pọ̀jù ní ọ̀dọ̀ wọn ní ilẹ̀ Yíbò. Ẹ wá wá àwọn ọmọ àtiro ìwọ ó ní ọmọ Yíbò wọn ní two home tó bá ti dé ibi tí wọ́n bá tẹ̀dó sí home ilé wọn tó ti kúrò home torí ẹ ti wá tẹ̀dó sílẹ̀ Yorùbá ó lẹ ṣe fẹ́ wá claim ibẹ̀ ọ̀dẹ̀ nìyí àwọn tó wà nílẹ̀ yẹn wọ́n wá lajú kalẹ̀ bí ọlọ́bọ̀nbọ̀n báyìí wọ́n wá máa wò yín kí tàlùbọ̀ kó wọ̀ kẹ́ wá gba ilẹ̀ ẹ wá gbà at the end of it ṣe rí ilẹ̀ Igbo yẹn una go still lose am. Igbo come here e be like say una no understand as the game dey go. Now like this, una go chase every land for Yoruba, for the whole Nigeria, where una go lost that Igbo land. Another tribe are coming to take Igbo land from una hand. Now that time una go know say una craze, una no craze. Una think say una craze, una no craze. Oh. Honestly, very very soon, another tribe. I don't know where they go from come, but they come. They don't dey road. Now them go claim that land because that Igbo land self no belong to una. We don't know where they for the British people, where they for carry all of una, drop una there, where una they claim that place. The people who truly get that place, where una they call Ebola, they come, they don't roll, they come, they won't claim their land, and they go chase every one of una. So, abi una don't hear that message. Now make una they frustrate, they fight Yoruba people. Una won't take Yoruba because the original land for that Igbo land, where they get it, they can't take the land. Una know if you take Yoruba land, like. At the end of it, una no go get land again. No base, no nothing. Nǹkan tó máa gbẹ̀yìn yín nìyẹn. Ọmọ Yíbò, ilẹ̀ Yíbò tẹ́ ń claim yẹn yín kọ́ lẹ ní. Àwa náà ti wá ìtàn tẹ́ bá rò pé mọ ìtàn pa, àwa gan mọ ìtàn wá. Àwa náà ti wá ìtàn jìnnà. Wọ́n jẹ́ kó yé wa wípé àwọn kan ni wọ́n fi ọkọ̀ keno tán wá fi drop yín tán dump yín sí ibi tẹ́ claim tẹ́ tẹ̀dó sí tẹ́ ń pè nílẹ̀ Yíbò. Ẹ̀yin kọ́ lẹ ní àwọn kan náà ní ilẹ̀ yẹn, and you know what, àwọn tó ní ilẹ̀ yẹn wọ́n ti wà lójú ọ̀nà wọ́n bọ̀ wá claim ilẹ̀ yẹn gbogbo yín náà máa flush dànù kúrò lẹ̀ Yíbò ní sí kò síbi kankan ní base mọ́ ní the whole of Nigeria. Yes, bóyá Japan yẹn lẹ máa padà relocate lọ máa ṣọ́nà ní káàkiri àgbáyé ni ní base mọ́ kò ní sí nǹkan tó ń jẹ́ ìran ọmọ Yíbò mọ́ ara ti ní yín jù body to the pepper una. Ó ti níyẹn lára jù wàhálà yín ti pọ̀ jù. Èmi ò sí lára àwọn ọmọ àlè bí yá tó rán fẹ́yìn lọ́kọ àbọ̀ fẹ́yìn láyà àbí wọ́n bá yín ṣe business àbẹ́yìn lẹ́ ń bá wọn ṣe àbí ẹjẹ́ views wọn tí wọ́n fọwọ́ sí júwe lé bàbá wọn. Ẹ má bárú wọn sọ̀rọ̀ wọn kì í bá irú ọmọ àlè bẹ́ẹ̀ sọ̀rọ̀ tẹ́ ẹ bá ti mọrú wọn by their fruit you shall know them. Kàn má wọrí ẹ lọ sọ fọ́ máa ti ro wọn wípé àwa ń dúró dè wọ́n lé. Ohun tó máa ṣe yín tẹ́ fi máa rántí ilé ń bọ̀ láìpẹ́ láì jìnà àwọn èèyàn wá pàtàn fún yín wọ́n wá sọ́ngọ̀ yín padà ṣe lọ́ máa ti rọ ọmọ àlè nìyín. Èmi kì í ṣọmọ àlè wọn mi lè sí lára àwọn tó máa fọwọ́ sí júwe lé bàbá ẹ̀. Ilẹ̀ Yorùbá Ọlọ́run ló dá wa bẹ́ẹ̀ tó bá tẹ́yín lọ́rùn bí ò tẹ́yín lọ́rùn àsàmà fúfú yín láìpẹ́ láì jìnà there will be no more Igbos. Yes. Very, very soon, there will be no more Igbos in Nigeria. You see that Igbo land where una they claim, no be una get am. I don't talk am. The people, the original people where they get that land, they don't dey road, they waka they come. They go come chase all of una there. Yes. If not because of that one, una know say the people where the original people where they get that Igbo land, then they come, they won't come chase una. Now make una they look for anywhere where una won't shook head. No be Yoruba land una they come. Lie asiko ti sumo ta ma ti shashara bagbo fún gbogbo yín àti ìyàwó tá fẹ́ àti tọkọ tá fẹ́ ẹ̀yin lẹ́mọ̀ ẹ kó ṣì dànù.
It's a name that stands for a man that really understands the nature of Igbo-ness in him, knowing that whenever we are done doing all these things we are doing in the city, follow me, go back home. You will know where I'm coming from. So it's beyond their imagination. Since the war ended.
Follow Amo Yibo go village. Make you go see their life. The Shakara na only Yoruba land. They open their face, open their sense. Follow them if you want to see them finish. Apart from the one where do rituals. Most of them where they do rituals, take building Gatic and mansion house for Igbo land. You they see them that they live there. Empty house. You go see house like this. You go take send abroad today. See money how they take build that mansion. They go even tar the road, enter the whole place. One person like this, you know they see ordinary bed no go make chum chum. Emptiness. Now money ritual money. We know they do like that for Yoruba land. The one where no do rituals, follow and go village for Christmas time or anytime where you follow and come. But ele de ya tell you look ni je kan yin eje me o. When you follow them go their village, you go see finish, go enter, you go know these people where they make matter. Now not them be. Now people wey no sabi una. You go see say ile alamo clay house. Na una dey live for una area. Una go come reach Lagos, they do like say now sabi pass every one of us. Àwa Yorùbá la wa la yin lójú. Láì sí àwa kò lè sí ẹ̀yin. Tẹ́ bá mọ business ṣe baranda business ilẹ̀ ṣe bí ọ̀nà baranda òfò àdàdánù ẹ máa lọ rọ́ọ̀bù lálẹ́ ẹ wá fi ṣe business láàárọ̀. Igbo go rob another person, thief another person, market, go on the road, go rob people, collect money, rob bank. Daybreak, they go come carry the money, come invest. They will go carry the money, go buy market. They no care how much they go sell am. I beg you, one person wey gather money, wey no rob, wey sweat for money, go buy market. You no go want make gain. Una think say we no know the secret because we dey close mouth for una. Hey, oh my God. Ẹ jẹ́ ká sọ̀rọ̀ sí baba ńlá baba wọn kó rí wọn ṣíkọ́ dànù kán mọ̀ wípé ọ̀rọ̀ wọn pọ̀ nílẹ̀ ó pọ̀ yẹ́yẹ́yẹ́ a kàn fẹnu bò ní ṣùgbọ́n nígbà tẹ́tí lẹ́ni ò ní gbọ́ àwa náà ò ní gbà. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni mo sọ fún yín ọmọ Yíbò ẹ lẹ́nu ọ̀rọ̀ ọmọ Yorùbá ẹnu yíyan kanyankan ọ̀rọ̀ ọmọ Yorùbá wọ́n ṣe patí wọ́n ta ilé wọ́n ta ọ̀nà kò gbẹ́nu ìyálàyà baba ńlá kú baba yín. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni mo sọ fún yín ọmọ Yíbò ẹ̀yin lẹ bà business jẹ́ fọ́mọ Yorùbá. Ìdí tẹ́dẹ̀ fi bàjẹ́ rèé ẹ̀yin lẹ máa ẹ̀yin ta ni ò máa ṣeré yín ó lè ló pọ̀ jù láàrin yín tẹ́ ẹ̀ bá ṣe rí ṣúàṣì ẹ̀ ṣolè ẹ̀ jalè ó lè lẹ máa ń jà tọ́ba tílẹ̀ bá ti pa fírí tílẹ̀ ṣú kẹ́ ẹ lọ rọ́ọ̀bù báǹkì kẹ́ ẹ rọ́ọ̀bù ilé onílé even títí lẹ́nu ọjọ́ mẹ́ta àìmọye àwọn actors wọn ní Nollywood wọ́n mú wọn lẹ́nu ọjọ́ mẹ́ta ìtọ́ lọ lead tọ́ lọ rọ́ọ̀bù báǹkì. Ṣé irú àwọn yẹn ló máa rí bí kà lẹ́sẹ̀ wọn irú àwọn yẹn ló máa bọ́ síta tá máa condemn Yorùbá no àwọn ń ṣí èrè bí titi yín ẹ ti desperate jù ọmọ Yíbò ti desperate jù ọmọ Yíbò á lọ lóru mọ́jú á rọ́ọ̀bù báǹkì á rọ́ọ̀bù ilé onílé wọ́n á lọ sí highway wọ́n á gba gbogbo àwọn tó ń oní business people tí wọ́n lọ tó fẹ́ lọ fowó ra ọjà wọ́n á gba gbogbo owó wọn tó bá ti di daybreak wọ́n á wá mú owó yẹn wọ́n á kó lọ wọ́n á lọ fi ra ọjà tán lọ rà. Nítorí ẹ̀ ló ṣe máa ń rí wọn tí wọ́n bá sọ wípé wọ́n fẹ́ gba ṣọ́ọ̀bù wọ́n á kówó 5 years sílẹ̀ ọmọ Yorùbá ò lè rówó 1 year owó ọdún kan kókó sílẹ̀ because àwọn lọ jalè mọ́jú ni náà. Ṣọmọ Yorùbá tó ti lọ ẹni àmọ́jú pàtí òkè ọ̀tẹ̀ lọ́jọ́ Wàsíù ó ti dé ọ̀tẹ̀ sọ̀rọ̀ nù ó sùn lọ́hùn ọ̀run ti ẹni yẹn ìwọ wà ní highway bí tó ti ń rọ̀bù àwọn ẹni ẹlẹ́ni ó wà níbi tẹ́ ti ń rọ̀bù báǹkì ẹ wà nínú ṣọ́ọ̀bù oníṣọ́ọ̀bù tẹ́ ti lọ lùtù àti oríṣiríṣi ọ̀nà olè ẹ tún ẹ̀yin lẹ máa ń ta oògùn olóró jù ẹ̀yin lẹ ń gbé oògùn olóró gbogbo oríṣiríṣi orílẹ̀-èdè àgbáláyé tó ti mú gbogbo ọmọ Nàìjíríà pátápátá 99% ẹ̀yin ní gbogbo owó yẹn tó bá rí wọn lọ fi ra business tó bá ti gbógo olóró rọ wọn fi ra ọjà wọn á kó wọlé tó bá ti wá kó wọlé wọn á wá gba ṣọ́ọ̀bù wọn á sanwó 10 years ṣe ti rí ibi tó ti lọ mówó wọ́n wá sanwó 10 years wá kọjá yẹn síbẹ̀ àwọn tó ṣiṣẹ́ tó jìyà tó lọ ra ọjà yẹn ní the same price táwọn náà rà nígbà tí wọ́n kó débẹ̀ ṣé wọn ò ní fèní sí ṣé wọn náà ò ní géènì ọmọ Yíbò tó jẹ́ pé ibi tó ti rówó bóyá owó gbámúlé látàní yọ níyà lọ yá o ṣé kò ní fi géènì sí kó ní turnover lórí business ẹ̀ ṣùgbọ́n ọmọ Yíbò tó lọ kó owó olówó tó lu jìbìtì tó jalè tó rọ̀bù ẹni ẹlẹ́ni tó fi kó ọjà síbẹ̀ kí ló kàn tí ẹni tó lọ yá owó gbọ́múlé látà tó bá ta ọjà yẹn tó bá rà ní 15 naira for example tó bá lóun fẹ́ ta tó débẹ̀ tó ní 20 naira kò tí ì jayò pa ṣe bó máa dúnàdúrà ni at the end of it tó bá ìta ní 25 ní 24 23 kò tí ì sí nǹkan tó bá dì ń bẹ̀ tó bá dé ìrìta ní 20 àbí 25 torí ìwọ tó bá mọ business yìí ṣe láyé wàá mọ̀ wípé there are times you will lose and there are times tó máa tún gain ó máa fi rọ́ wara wọn ni ṣùgbọ́n ọmọ Yíbò tó jẹ́ pé ṣe ló lọ rọ́ọ̀bù tó fi kó ọjà síbẹ̀ òun o 15 naira the same 15 naira yẹn náà ló ra ọjà yẹn bí ti ìyá tó lọ gbé gbọ́múlé láńtà o á wá tà fún ẹni already láti ta ní 10 naira ṣọmọ ẹ pé ó ti lose mbẹ kò ní mind torí owó tó fẹ́ fi rà yẹn ló fẹ́ gbà padà kí owó lówó tán lọ fi rọ́ọ̀bù báǹkì tán lọ rọ́ọ̀bù ẹni ẹlẹ́ni owó highway tán lọ jí àtowó drọ́ọ̀gì tán lọ àtowó oògùn olóró tán lọ tà gbogbo ẹ̀ kọ́ ṣáà fi lè dá padà sọ́wọ́ wọn kówó yẹn kán fi ṣe nǹkan kán fi ṣe turnover ṣé o ti rí ìyàtọ̀ tó wà ńbẹ̀ tó bá wá sọ wípé Yorùbá ọjà títà wa máa ń ta ọjà pa ṣé ti rí ìyàtọ̀ tó wà ńbẹ̀ ṣé ti rí ìyàtọ̀ tó wà ńbẹ̀ torí ẹni bá ṣiṣẹ́ ó ní láti jèrè láyé ṣùgbọ́n ìyẹn náà ni pé ẹ̀yin Yorùbá kẹta ọjà yín lọ́wọ́n gógó ẹ be calming down ẹ̀yin náà calm down ẹ má ṣírò gbogbo problem ayé lórí àwọn ọjà yín àgàgà tó bá jẹ́ pé product yẹn lásìkò yẹn ó ń tà ẹ ní láti ní business orientation nísìn ẹ ní láti wà friendly ọmọ Yorùbá ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ẹ̀yin ìyàwó ẹ̀yin sister brothers wà tẹ́ ń ta ọjà ẹ wà friendly kì í ṣe gbogbo èèyàn tó bá ti wá ná ọjà ló máa ń ra ọjà ṣùgbọ́n lọ́dọ̀ yín tó bá ti dọ́dọ̀ yín tó bá ti ná ọjà tó bá ní 10 naira ní tẹ́ni ẹ bá ní à ṣé kò gba 6 naira àbí 5 naira ó lè wá gbé ó bá tiẹ̀ má sanwó òkèdè kan á ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ ebú normally wọn kì í ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ ní ìlú Germany tẹ́mi wà mí ìmọ̀ country tó ti ń wo fídíò tó ti ń gbọ́ mi yìí tó o bá wọ store gbogbo aṣọ tó wà ńbẹ̀ o lè wọ̀ wò kó ṣe testing powder o lè kún wò kó sí nǹkan tó wà ńbẹ̀ tó lè ṣe ṣáà ti má jí nǹkan wọn kó dẹ̀ bọ́ kó gbé gbogbo ẹ̀ sílẹ̀ tó bá lọ tó bá rà wọ́n wá bẹ́ẹ̀ do you need help wọ́n tún máa kí ẹ tó o bá ṣe gbogbo ẹ̀ tán pef o try ẹ̀ o like òun lè ṣe gbogbo ẹ̀ tó bá lọ òun lọ nìyẹn thank you wọ́n tún kí ẹ thank you for coming thank you Yorùbá ẹ jẹ́ ká máa wà friendly a ti máa ń jàjù nídìí ọjà dúnàdúrà kò yẹ kó máa fàjà ẹ dẹ̀ má máa jẹ́ ká máa ta ọjà wa lọ́wọ́n gógó jù àwọn nǹkan tí ọmọ Yíbò fi ń ní upper hand lórí yín láàrin ọjà nìyẹn tó fi jẹ́ wípé ọmọ Yorùbá gan náà wọ́n á fi Yorùbá ẹgbẹ́ wọn sílẹ̀ wọ́n á lọ bá ọmọ Yíbò bá ọmọ Yíbò bá ní kíní 10 naira ni tó bá ní madam why you go sell this thing for 10 naira you no gree me I pay you 4 naira now kò ní bàjá ọmọ Yíbò ní bàjá pé say wetin now you for no kukuma pay now come carry am now thief now kò ní sọ dìjà mọ́ lọ́wọ́ á tún bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣàwádà ní wípé why you go buy this kind thing for 4 naira now oya let me put add more to am oya pay 6 naira pay 6 naira I no get 6 naira na 5 naira get na because of you na because I like your color na because I like your height you resemble one of my sister na it make me wan sell am for you shey you go still come dey patronize me anytime you come you see that kind thing tó bá di next time tí rẹ níbẹ̀ bá lọ sọ́jà á fẹ́ lọ rajà lọ́dọ̀ ẹ̀ because bó ṣe ṣùgbọ́n Yorùbá kì í ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ you see àwọn oríṣiríṣi nǹkan wà tó jẹ́ pé àwa náà ní láti adjust ara wa tí ò ń ṣe àwọn nǹkan tó nira rárá àbí kò yé wa ẹ má jẹ́ ká máa fi àyè sílẹ̀ fún àwọn ọmọ àjòkúta má mú mi àwọn ọmọ tí wọn ò níran kan wá máa sọ̀rọ̀ sí wa aníran anílẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ ni orí wa sì pé àwa ní Israeli àsìkò yìí àwa la fẹ́ àwa ní ìran tí Ọlọ́run gbé jáde ìran Yorùbá láti gbé ògo adúláwọ̀ gbogbo Áfíríkà láti fi hàn fáyé rí iṣẹ́ pọ̀ lọ́wọ́ wa ilẹ̀ Yorùbá ò ní bàjẹ́ o bẹ́ẹ̀ ni ó bàjẹ́ tí kìkìdá ẹnikẹ́ni kò ìfù lára ọmọkọ ilẹ̀ Yorùbá tó padà gbàbọ̀dẹ̀ torí àtijẹ torí ìdí kan bí mi tó jẹ́ ọmọkọ ilẹ̀ Yorùbá tó gbàbọ̀dẹ̀ pẹ̀lú àwọn other tribe tó ń kógun ja ilẹ̀ Yorùbá mú ẹ wàá ṣìṣe ẹlẹ́dàá ilẹ̀ Yorùbá àti gbogbo ọmọ Yorùbá á dá ìyàjọ fún ẹ wàá ṣe ẹ̀sín gbogbo ẹ̀yin ọmọ ikọ̀ ilẹ̀ Yorùbá tẹ́ ń torí ìdí kan àbí mi tẹ́ ń ní ilẹ̀ Yorùbá lára tẹ́ ń ní ìran Yorùbá lára ara ní gbogbo yín pátápátá àní ẹ ti bàjẹ́ bọ̀lẹ̀ Igbo we don start am o since una think say una get bad mouth wey una dey take talk bad thing for every other tribe especially for Yoruba, we go show una. I don't know any other person. I don't know about any other person. For my own side, my name na Dara Kowe. From my own side, I go tell una say no be only una get bad mouth. Alone, anywhere oda. We don't enter. Atikese kono bo sokoto kono. We go see now. Jọ tọrọ lọ́n kí lẹ rí sí gbogbo àlàyé tá jọ ṣe. Ọmọ Yíbò ní àwọn náà ní Japan. Tó bá yá wá claim Russia. Ọjọ́ kan ẹ má yẹ kó yà yín lẹ́nu. Ó lè sọ pé àwọn làwọn tẹ British kodo. Ọjọ́ kan wọ́n ṣáà ní wá claim Germany. Bẹ́ẹ̀ dẹ̀ wá tán bá gbà fún yín. Jọ tọrọ lọ́n bá mi share fídíò yìí. Bá mi share tó bá ti dọ́dọ̀ ẹ̀ bá mi gbé káàkiri. Má gbàgbé o láti bá mi like fídíò kó bá mi thumb up on this video. Drop your comment. Mo wíire àbí mi wíire. Wàláhì mo wíire ọmọ ọkọ ni mí. Ìwọ ńkọ́?